Get ready for a legal dictation. 5 seconds. Start. Opposing the said objections recall review short Sri Rahul Agarwal has first invoked the principle that a later decision may never offer a ground to review any order He relied a decision of the Supreme Court under majority view in Beggar Foundation versus K.S. Puttaswamy retired under 2021 123 taxman.com 344 SC staff. He has also relied on a later order of the Supreme Court passed in civil leave to appeal C numbers 12670 2020 Union of India versus M S Anita Constructions Limited dated 11/1/2021 whereby the correctness of the decision of the Supreme Court in Central Organization for Railway Electrification Supra has been doubted and referred to a larger bench of the Supreme Court staff Having heard learned counsel for the parties, first, the objection being raised by Sri Rahul Agarwal is found to be too technical to merit acceptance. Staff by the order dated 24/10/2019, no final decision had been made by the court. Staff only a named arbitrator had been proposed to be appointed after hearing the parties on the submissions as had been made, at this stage. Staff, however, the proceeding for appointment of the arbitrator has remained pending, as before staff Neither under the Act nor under the rules of the court, there is any stipulation as may require the court to decide all objections to an application moved under section 11 of the Act staff by one order and to appoint the arbitrator by another order staff. It is a rule of convenience adopted by the court while dealing with such applications that first, upon any such application being filed, disclosing existence of arbitration agreement between the parties, prima facie existence of an arbitrable dispute and failure to constitute an arbitrator tribunal in accordance with the procedure agreed to between the parties, and notice is issued to the opposite party parties staff. At the second stage, any objection that is raised to the application is dealt with and thereafter consent of the proposed arbitrator is sought staff. At the third stage, after receipt of that consent, any normally, in the absence of any further objection, the appointment is made and the application disposed of staff. If, however, any other or further objection raises, then, there is nothing, either under section 11 of the Act or otherwise, to prevent the court for dealing with that objection at the third stage staff. Before any order could be passed to confirm the order dated 24/10/2019 and thus appoint the proposed arbitrator and decide finally the proceeding, the opposite party filed application number 6 of 2020 staff, though titled dash application for review recall the order dated 24/10/2019, in effect, and for all legal consequences, it is an application praying to the court to not confirm its order dated 24/10/2019 staff. Looked at in the context of the scope of the current status of the proceeding, the order dated 24/10/2019 is no better than a pure interlocutory procedural order is a proceeding that is still pending staff. It is an order that neither decides the point is dispute finally nor it otherwise hinders the court from passing a final order contrary to any observation made in it, on the basis of any further objection now raised, staff. Accordingly, the matter has been heard again at length, at the stage of confirmation of the order dated 24/10/2019 staff.